Hey everyone, today we have a Golf 8 new model 2025. Today I'm gonna show you how to check your oil level in this car. First thing, you need to on ignition on. Okay, now you need to go here, put this vehicle, go here. Okay, when you are here, status oil level, you need to wait some time, like around your temperature should be above 90 degree, so you need to wait for some time. When your engine is hot, you need to ignition off and then check, wait for 2 minutes and then check the level. Now we gonna wait for some time and we will check the level. Engine must be hot. Okay, now you can see the oil level, it's okay, maximum. Thank you so much. Subscribe.